So hello adventurers and welcome to my basement, where it is nice and cool and my allergy doesn't torture me too much. So, I saw a video on YouTube about someone turning one of those things here, putty knife, into a real knife. And I liked it so much that I have decided to recreate it. I will link the video I saw down in the description. And so, it seems like we got three to choose here. The old one, but in this case I guess we're going with the broken one, because, well, better than throwing it away. So, yeah. Okay. I gotta keep it relatively simple up here. A bit like this. That's it. This is how it will look. So, I will use my trusty old fake Dremel to cut the rough shape out, and then I will file it a bit. So, first part is done. Now, the second part. So, I'm on the second disc now, and well, seems to be one disc per side. So, second disc is gone. This is one of the things where someone has to invent something. The screwing on of those little discs for the Dremel. This is annoying. Guys, develop something. It is done. Yeah, I love it. So after cleaning it, I got a thin and flexible spring steel knife. And now let's sharpen it. So now listen to this. Here, this is really hard. And now you will see how to use it. So, now I just have to do the finishing sharpening and the knife is done. So, now let's make a sheet for it. I took this plastic here, that's from some packaging, actually from the packaging from the rivet system, and it will slide in here like this. Then it will sit in here like this, so the blade doesn't cut the leather. Now I have to trace a shape I like and cut it out. So here is the plastic part. Let's put this in for good measure, and let's put a piece of duct tape along it. Duct tape. Yeah, just like this. And then we fold it over. So I punched a bunch of holes, and now it will try something new. I will use rivets. Okay, I take the rivet, put it through the hole, just like this. Then I take this tool, make sure the hole lines up, so I put it up here, and then we squeeze it down. Once more. The sharp side must meet this little dot here. Looks good. Looks very good. And so, there we go. By the way, I made here 2 holes on each side, and I connected it so that I cut. And this is where the belt loop will go through. And there is the knife. I like it, sits in here very good. Doesn't fall out. Doesn't cut the sheet. Yeah, I like it. So, there we go. Let's try to see how it performs. I didn't do a too accurate job sharpening it, but it should, yeah, it cuts. And this is hardwood, so let's try something a bit softer, like this. in focus here. Kind of. Okay, there's a notch here. Yeah, but so far it does a good job. I have to sharpen it here a bit more, but I knew that. The real sharp point is here. Oh, I broke it. Working great for a free knife, and it's still, yeah, it's still sharp. Not here. Let's see. Yeah. They're not using particular strength, it's just I'm letting the blade do the work. I hope this is even in focus. I can't tell, I'm not wearing my glasses. What does you see? Not bad. Still sharp and does a good job. So let's put it back in his sheet. And by the way, the idea with the plastic liner I got from Real Big Monkey 1, Dave, on his channel. You should check this channel out, it's great. So now let's try to do some harder work. And now let's do some real stuff. Let's start with hunting this. Something I normally don't do. And I don't really have the right baton, but yeah. Yeah, not bad. It's not made for it, but it works. So after batoning it, let's find out if it's still sharp. Yep. Still seems to cut just fine. And this is again quite hardwood. Looks rotten on the outside, but it is still plenty strong. Yeah, this is quite a durable knife because the blade is so thin, it literally flexes. It's easy to sharpen, but this is still absolutely sharp. And here, just as an example for a little use case, I made a improvised tent stake. You hammer this into the ground and you hang your rope into it. So yeah. What do I think about it? Well, I really like it. I also like how the sheet looks. I just put a loop through it and then strap it on your belt this way around. But yeah, turned out really great. So now let's do the resume. Well, it is still sharp. Only thing I have to do is, and I knew it from the beginning, I have to sharpen this part here a bit more. I wanted to give this a different grind than this side, but I didn't get around to it. But yeah, the sheet works great, looks great. The handle is comfortable, and it is a very good shape so you don't slip. No fear to cutting myself here. The blade, very flexible, very sharp, not perfect for batoning because this extremely thin kind of knife isn't really ideal to work as a shim, which you want to do with your baton. But it took this abuse very well without any marks. It is still sharp. It was a 2-hour project, including making the sheet and sharpening it. It did only cost me, well, the only thing I've bought is those rivets here and the leather, and yeah, I really like it. And another extra is I did use a sweat leather sheet for a reason, so you can use it to later, if you have 2 hands, to strap your knife after use to keep it long and sharp. Yeah, and by the way, this is just a remaining part of the sticker. This gooey stuff is hard to get off. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, subscribe and leave a comment. I love the comments. And really, the community experience is why I'm making YouTube. It's not like I make any money off it. But yeah, this is really good. I really like the shape. I will keep this design for future knives. It's now the Adventurers Club pattern. The bird agrees. He said like and subscribe.